Thoughts on weather. First talk. First, the speaker announced that day the sun was shining and it would be very warm. And then he said that warm weather continued the following day and there was no change of that. Second talk. First, the speaker said that late that night they could expect showers and after that he announced that rain would clear by the following afternoon. Third talk. First, the speaker noticed that there was a slight chance of rain that afternoon, and it possibly turned into snow by that evening. Fourth talk. First, the speaker noticed that day was the hottest day on record. But since the wind had been very strong that day, it hadn't been too uncomfortable, and it had been a typical cool on day. Fifth talk. First, the speaker said that at 2 o'clock that afternoon, the temperature at the airport had been 21 degrees Celsius, and then he noticed that had been uncommonly warm for that time of the year, but no one had complained. Sixth talk. First, the speaker announced that clear sky that day would be welcome relief after the previous day thunder shower, and he said that although it would be a bit warmer than the previous day, the temperature would remain cool throughout the day, and he suggested watching out for more rain and colder temperature the following day, but no snow yet. Seventh talk. First, the speaker suggested putting away those umbrellas, and he said that the clouds were finally gone, so he suggested going outside to enjoy the sunshine that day. And then he noticed that it looked like they had a full week of sun ahead of them, but no more rain expected until after the weekend. Fifth talk. First, the speaker announced that all local beaches were closed for the weekend due to dangerous wind, and next he said that in addition to the wind, the weather would remain cloudy all weekend, and the temperature would fall below freezing that night, and there was a slight chance of snow after midnight. Ninth talk. First, the speaker said that day temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was average for that time of the year. The record high for that day was 90 degrees, and the record low was 55. And next, he said that the only thing was on average was the unusual amount of rain that had that fall, and she said that they would be all happy to see that they clear weather, and she hoped the sunshine continued all week. 10th talk. First, the speaker said that had been the rainiest spring ever, when the record rain for the week before of 5 inches. And next, he said that the rain continued that day until the rest of the week, and then would have cloudy sky on weekend. And finally, he noticed that some of sunshine and clear sky were just around the corner.